inserting and formatting pictures in the document. Inserting and formatting pictures in the document. So let's see how this can be done. So to insert pictures, let's have a new document right here. So once we insert picture into this new document, we just click on the insert tab. Then in the illustrations group, we have pictures. So to insert a picture, so let's make use of this picture. So now this is a picture. So to increase the size of the picture, just drag it out. So or you drag it in. You can as well decide to change the height and width of the picture right here. Depending on the dimension, you can see that is increasing, and that is this for the width, shape width, and this shape height. So you need to set the height and the width so that one is not adjusted when you are adjusting the other. Just come right here and unlock aspect ratio. So that's okay. So with this now, I set the height and width separately. The height is 8.5, while the width is 4. Okay, so we'll reset this. Let's set this one back to 7. And 7.5. So for the height, 7, and for the width, 7.5. So let's also see how we can insert pictures or picture style. Just come here and choose any of this style. Apply. And see each one with different effects. That's how you apply it. Just choose any of this. Apply. Okay, that is done. And again, you can just set the border for the picture, and that's it. Then again, the picture effects, apply any of these effects to your picture. This preset. Just apply all this, and you can go back and add shadow here. Action. So that has been done. And just select and apply shadow as offset center. Then go on and apply reflection and glow. You can see the effect of all of this that we applied. I apply to it. Let's see again. 3D rotation. That's that. And again, these are the picture layers need to change. Any of the layers, just come back here and do that. And adding alternative text, picture of a over. Okay, that is done. Again, that's all text. Let's look at how you can remove picture background. Just click on the background and here is the left area. Want to remove. So let's see, keep all changes. Now go back here and apply style. Okay, select it. Then again, let's see correction. Okay, you can use any of this as you wish. Then the color, you can select any of the color and artistic effect. Let's change the position of this one. Just select it. You go to I select it. The position is right here. At 9 different position, you can create the picture. Let's see right there. So now you can arrange the two pictures. Let's position this as well. Okay. So you can arrange by placing one top of the other system and set this forward. Okay. So if you want line or the other, you take the picture again. And if you have another one, and you click Ctrl D. Now and decide to group these 4 pictures. How do I group? Just select the first one and under the control key, you put the second, put the third and the fourth, and go to the arrange group and set here. Let's go first. The control just click on this. The 4 pictures in the group. Okay, we need to arrange it properly. So just on group and arrange properly. I'm going to click the first picture, press on the control key and the keyboard, click the second picture, click the third picture and the fourth picture. Now go to the arrange group and you're able to see group here. Okay, the 4 pictures have been grouped. Good. So now again you can do whatsoever effect this one. Let's look at picture border. If you've done this, sometimes you apply it, transfer the whole picture and then group pictures of the group. So again, let's see picture effects again. Reflection. Good. So then picture border. Let's just increase the weight to 6. Then go back to border. Okay, that has been done. Okay. Okay, let's ungroup again and adjust this. Okay, so that is done. Now let's see correction. Want to correct anything in the picture, just go to correction and click. Choose any of the options here. Okay. Then again, you can change the color of the picture. Right there. Just left. Okay, let's try and group the picture again. Click on first picture, then the second, the third. While you press the control key, you come here and group whatever formatting that is applied to the picture to affect others. Okay, so now you can then compress the picture. So compress the picture in the document to reduce the size, so you can compress and reduce the size. Just the one that is so for email. So minimize document size for share. Okay. Good. That's it. Then again, you can change the size of the picture here. So this is the shape, height. So you can apply color to the picture after you grouped it. You can just come here, click on correction, and just select any of these. Option here. Okay, this sharp 0%. Go back. The brightness 0%, present normal, contrast minus 20%. Just select any of them, and for the color, come here and select any of the color here, then the artistic effect as well. Come and apply. Okay, color, and the color for it. Then for position, you have 9 different types you can adjust to. Okay, let's change the color again. Okay, so then again a picture effects. Come here and select any of these. So to affect the picture here, the 4 pictures have been grouped. Come here as well. Adjust this bevel over black. Okay, I'll come here as well and select any of these. Okay, that's it. So there you can as well align the picture to the top and to the right, middle. Okay, so align bottom and left, and bottom you can go and distribute vertically or distribute horizontally. You can come here and align the page. Okay, or align to margin. So these are different things you can do. You can align center, align left, align right. Okay, so this is how you adjust the picture. And don't forget the alternate text as well. And come and just type the text picture of robot. Okay, so robot, that's done. So I want to believe that you understand this, so ensure you practice on your own to gain more understanding. So we're going to meet again the next class, so ensure you go through and practice on your own, because practice makes perfect. So see you in the next class. Okay, bye.